Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 25th of August, 2023. Man, let's talk about Axie Infinity because we want to figure out if a crash in this cryptocurrency's price, if it's a buying opportunity. And we just simply look at the price chart for Axie Infinity off of the Binance exchange. Take a look at this. We've been in a downturn into the market in Axie Infinity since the beginning of the year. So every time the market in Axie Infinity went down, quote, crash or move lower, it hasn't been a buying opportunity because the market continues to go in the same direction, going down. A crash, a buying opportunity within a crash is only good when the bottom has been set, when the bottom is in. That's it. When the market price begins to go higher and it doesn't go back to the lows. We have not seen that yet in Axie Infinity. So when you see the market right now in Axie Infinity, we're still trending in that direction. Nothing has changed. Now, we did a price prediction in Axie Infinity going all the way back on July the 4th, and I was bullish into the cryptocurrency at that moment in time, and I wasn't that bullish. You guys can see my only ultimate price target was right there around $7, and the market in Axie Infinity on the 14th of July topped out at $6.90, so a dime away from hitting ultimate TP, which is why I only give you guys areas. I don't give you pinpoint prices to which we're looking for the market to hit. It was in the vicinity to which I was looking for the market to go, and it did it on the 14th of July. So congratulations to those who was able to profit in that particular move. Now, let me show you this. We're going to take this downtrend line into the market Axie Infinity and just extend it, right? And you guys can see here that even though price in Axie Infinity is trading on top of the downtrend line, it is still trending down. Rather than it hitting resistance, it is now acting as support on the way down, which is even crazier. People think that a support area is a place to where buyers come in and it actually begins to hold and lift price higher. Well, when the market is in a downturn, it can also be seen as an area of support to not let the market crash, but yet and still you will see the market continue to go down. This is what Axie Infinity is doing. So the market hasn't changed its bias. The market is still looking weak in terms of Axie Infinity's price movement. So looking at this on the 2-day chart, I mean, again, you guys can tell here that Axie Infinity is trending to the downside. We got this indicator weakness triggered there. And then the second thing that makes this cryptocurrency weak is its inability to hold support right around here. Once the market in Axie Infinity fell below in this 2-day price bar, that is why these 2-day price bars, we're not seeing the market garnering any strength yet. And then thirdly, like I said, the downtrend. So all of these points off the chart is definitely letting us know that the market Axie Infinity is still weak. Now, here it is on the 5-day chart. This last 5-day price bar is telling me that the selling could be subsiding a little bit because the 5-day price bar, we did not see a big potential movement to the downside, which brings us to this area of support here in Axie Infinity. Back here on the 5-day price bar in June the 10th, the 15th, and the 20th of June. These areas is where the market in Axie Infinity saw buyers. That's why we're holding support right now. So this is the only thing that's keeping the market at bay from continuing to go a lot lower in price. And we need to continue to see this in order for us to see a market in Axie Infinity lift. Here it is on the weekly time frame. Take a look at Axie on the 2 weeks. Okay. Here it is on the 3, Axie on the 5, and a 1 month time frame. So again, only thing that we need to wait for into the market Axie Infinity is waiting to see if buyers are going to come in around $4.60. That is the only thing we need to see. Now the downturn is still in place, so I'm going to get rid of this downtrend line. I want us to focus in on support right now because that would definitely tell us the direction that the market is aiming to go. So let me get rid of this downtrend line, and I want us to focus our attention in Axie Infinity right here on our support area. Okay. So let me go ahead and bring it up just a tad. Now, before I let you go, I'm not going to put on a price prediction right now, but let me tell you this. If we continue to see market weakness in Axie Infinity over the next couple of trading days. This support area of $4.60 is not going to hold, and you would expect the market to continue to go lower. And once we see the market in Axie Infinity break $4.60, we would have to go all the way back to 2021 in Axie Infinity to see where the next area of support is going to be. And it's going to be right here in Axie Infinity. Okay. So let me go ahead and extend this line over just a tad, because this will be the next target price for Axie Infinity. Okay, so we got it right there, like $3.35, $3.50 would be the next area of support, and that's a pretty far away from where the market currently is in Axie Infinity. Look at this. It's another 28.5% drop in price. Now that's what I'm looking at now. Currently my analysis would be for Axie Infinity to go lower, but I'm giving the market opportunity to convince me that they're still here buying, because if they are, then we won't see the market go down to 350, but we need to consider that that's a probable thing that is still likely to occur, especially in the long term. All right, so that's it. I'm finished. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel.